I will not take all of you because I can see that people are celebrating. I don't know. When I do celebration, what is won't get fool me today. So for waiting now, waiting happen.
Because the day will fool today. Don't forget, today is the first of April.
No wonder. Let's go. Why you gonna?
Chai, not true. April 1st. Yes, this is an opportunity for me to make April fool. Chai. Not true. Obama, art for this people. Obama, art. Art make you tell them say they happen.
You won't try me? Wait, if I shoot you now, you know so I'm not what for.
Come and sit down.
Let's follow this man.
Even before I will go, hold on now. The drink, I must finish now.
Even if you say the guy they mad, you know get you. Man, come now. If I give him this chompo now, he go smoke, the madness go go. This is the mad man come, I give him this thing now. This auto turn anyone. You the place, you don't know him further. You don't know what you they do for you. That's the guy. I'm on before that.
One trial? Yeah. Okay, wait there now, make you see. Okay, one cash out. Fire, receive it. Yeah! You don't know, say, I learned Chinese from China. Okay, you want to try? Open that gate now, open that. Open. Receive it. Yeah! Okay, what is it, man? Receive it. So I real madness. Now real madness. Real madness. It is a damn son, Abi. Okay, one take I won't make a fire you. Take it now. Wait. Real mad.
Now what the guy do?
Madness.
What the guy do?
I do that like how. I think I'm playing the play. What is this one now, Papa?
Thank you. Let's
get this guy. What is going on?
What is going on?
What
is going on?
Now what's going on here? What did they happen here? What did they happen here?
Madness. Cannot be madness. No, I don't believe that.
This is how it is.
Let us take this guy to Siakia.
No. This is not madness.
What did they happen? Let us go see. April Fool! Yeah, what is your name?
My name is Monachi.
Monachi?
Yep.
Yes. Are you the member of this production?
Yeah, I am.
You are a member? No problem. I saw you acting. What is your character name here and what do you act? You acted as what?
Actually, I was Assad, the hot chick, you know. So it was actually a good role. It was a nice one. You know?
Yes, and what do you have to tell our audience, the people that will watch this particular thing?
I'm just saying, you guys really need to watch out for this comedy. Like, it's a nice role. And watch out for my ass too.
Let's see your ass. No, come. Yes. And another one.
Actually, I acted as a big chick at a new boyfriend's house. But I actually learnt one thing. If they fuck you, leave you, then they fuck another person.
Yeah, Onyala. Ochane.